I am Suzanna Muggleton, and I am Head of Media Relations at IB Communications. We've just finished up Advanced Therapies 2025 in Philadelphia. It's been a great conference. We've been capturing video content both for IBTV and for our media partners. We've also been coordinating with press requests and media both on-site and remote, ensuring that they've got everything and really covering the hottest topics from this brilliant event. If you're wanting to check out some of the great content we've been capturing over the last couple of days here at Advanced Therapies US, the first port of call will be the IBTV YouTube channel, where we'll be publishing our On the Records and also one of our panels that we've been recording here too. And we will also have content in some of our media partnerships, but I'm sure we'll be publishing the links to those through our LinkedIn too. So be sure to check out IB Communications as well as IBTV.